Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel.
Hi, are you flying out today as well?
Yeah, I am. What's your name?
I'm David. And you?
I'm Sophia. Where are you headed?
Off to New York. You?
Oh, me too. What a coincidence.
Really? Are you visiting or on business?
A little of both. You,
Mostly business, but I'm hoping to explore the city.
New York has a lot to offer. Have you been before?
Once, but it was a short trip. What about you?
I visit often. I've got family there.
That's cool. What do you enjoy most about the city?
The energy, for sure. It's like the city never sleeps.
I've heard that. What do you like to do when you're there?
I love walking in Central Park. What about you? Any plans?
I'm hoping to catch a Broadway show.
Oh, you'll love it. Broadway is magical.
What's your favorite show?
Probably Hamilton. Have you seen it?
No, but it's on my list.
You should definitely watch it. It's life-changing.
I'm sold. So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. You?
I work in marketing. We might be in similar fields.
That's interesting. Do you work with a lot of creative projects?
Yeah, I do. But I've always admired design work.
It can be fun, but also challenging.
I can imagine. What's the toughest part?
Definitely managing clients' expectations.
I get that. In marketing, it's pretty similar.
So, what's your favorite part of your job?
Creating campaigns that actually connect with people.
That's rewarding. How long have you been doing it?
About 5 years now. How about you?
I've been designing for about 3 years.
That's awesome. Any big projects you're proud of?
I recently worked on a rebranding for a tech company. It was intense, but fulfilling.
Sounds exciting. So, do you travel often for work?
Sometimes. This trip is more for a break, though.
Same here. It's good to unwind every now and then.
Totally. Do you have a favorite travel destination?
Probably Japan. It's such a unique place. You?
I love Italy. The food, the art. It's beautiful.
Italy is on my bucket list. Any recommendations?
Definitely Rome and Florence. You'll fall in love with the architecture.
I can't wait. Maybe we'll both end up there one day.
Who knows? Travel always brings surprises.
Like meeting a new friend at the airport?
Exactly. Life is full of unexpected connections.
Well, it looks like they're starting to board.
Yeah, I guess it's time to say goodbye.
It was really nice meeting you, Sophia.
You too, David. Who knows? Maybe we'll run into each other in New York.
I hope so. Safe travels.
Thanks. You too. Take care.
Bye, Sophia.
Bye, David. Comment your feedback, like, and subscribe our channel.